Hey guys, look at my son's little puppies. They're so greedy. We got three of them over there eating the mom's food out the pot. Oh, there goes a piece of food coming out of his mouth. Then we got these two little babies. They're only 3 weeks old. Aren't they cute? Look. They're tearing that food up. And this one, look, he's all the way in there. What are you guys doing over here? Huh? This little guy. They're gonna disturb him because the mom, he's about to fall asleep, this one. Oh, he's up now, okay. There we go. Can't get out. And he's gonna go over there with the look. There we go. She ain't gonna sit there and no look. Watch this. Poor little puppies, look. Look, she just drags them all around. Poor little babies. Ain't they cute? Look. Gypsy, you ain't going to be able to run from these babies, honey. They're going to follow you around. Watch, she's going to drag them all the way down. Could you imagine? Look, here she goes. Watch. These little babies they're hungry. What, little baby, huh? Yeah, Gypsy, they're eating your food now. Hey, little guy. Aren't they cute? Look at this one. Yay. Hi, little babies.
Oh, did they leave her?
No, she got up and moved.